We're going to briefly look at the different parts of a letter and the format of a block letter. The first thing you're going to do when you open Word is hit enter 3 times, and this is indicated here by the 3 paragraph marks, and you can show these marks just by clicking on the Show Hide button, which is located here in the Home tab of the ribbon. I would get familiar with this button because it will help you when you're proofreading to make sure that you have hit enter the correct number of times, just to make sure you won't get count off or any of that. After you hit enter 3 times, then you're going to type in the date, and that's always in the month, day, year format, and that's for letters or memos. Always use this format. So after the date, you're going to hit enter 2 times, and then you're going to type in who the letter is to and their address. After the address, you hit enter 1 time and type the salutation, and the salutation in this letter does not have any punctuation. In a block letter, you will notice that all of the paragraphs are aligned to the left. There's no indents on the first paragraph, so just make sure those are all left aligned. After each paragraph, you're going to hit enter 1 time until you get to the very last paragraph. You hit enter 1 time, type the complimentary close, again with no punctuation. If there's no punctuation used in the salutation, then there's no punctuation used in the complimentary close. So after the complimentary close, you hit enter twice, type in who the letter is from and their title if needed. Then you hit enter once, and then you're going to type in your reference initials. And the reference initials are your first and last name initials. These are always going to be in lowercase, and they need to be included on every letter or every memo that you type for this class. So just make sure that you always have those. After the reference initials, hit enter 1 time, and if there's any enclosures, then you will type enclosures. Tab over and type what the enclosure is. And this very last option, this is a copy notation, and what that means is that this letter is also going to be copied to these individuals. A copy notation is indicated by a lowercase c. It's never capitalized, and then just hit tab and type the name who it's going to be copied to. Once again, this is the format for a block letter, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email.